Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Volkswagen Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, passenger airbag, CD player, child safety locks. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.